Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of this Veda series, and let us continue with the string methods. And let me create another file as class 4.ved. Now let us open the documentation. Yes, this is a document. Yeah. So we are going to look at the validators now. So commenting out validators, and now let us test a number equal to 2023. So I am validating whether the given string is a number or not. So I have a method known as number.isNum. So I have to call isNum method and apply it on the variable number. So this will return a boolean value. Veda class 4.ved. So as it's a number, it will return true. Yeah, so it is true. Okay, and now let us look at another method, which is alpha. Okay, so name equal to rohit. Because every character in the string is an alphabet, the validator will return boolean value true. Name is alpha, and I'm going to print this validator. I'll clear the screen and run the program again. So it is true because every character is a alphabet. If I use numbers with this string, then it will return false because it has numerical values in the string. Okay, then let us see alpha num. Okay, this can contain alphabets and as well as numericals A B C D 1 2 3 4. So validator equals to, I am applying the method is alpha num on the variable msg, and I'm going to print the validator. Yeah, it is true. Then after this, okay, we have the method uppercase. So upc name equals to rohit, then validator equals to upc dot is uppercase. So I'm calling the method is uppercase and applying it to the upc. So every character in this string is uppercase, so it returned true. And what if it is in smaller case? Then it will return false. See, okay. Now I'm going to redo it. Then after this, sl equals to upc dot lowercase. I'm applying the lowercase method and then calling the sl dot is lowercase method onto the sl object, so it will return true. Yes. Then is uppercase, is lowercase, is empty. So if the string is empty, if it's like this, then the validator equals to msg dot is empty. As the string contains nothing in it, it will return true boolean value. If the string has some character in it, it will return false. And the next method is Okay, so we are done with validators. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is it for this video. And please like, share and comment. I'll be making more such videos on this Veda programming language. Thank you for watching.